Just keep rolling, just keep rolling. With doobie-doo, we roll on down. Feet drop.
Say hey to everyone. Say good morning.
He's just like, he's so unbothered right now. Kitty!
Hola.
Hello, am I being rude? How's it going?
I'm making sandwiches.
Awesome.
I have to make a sandwich for myself because I don't have anything. I'm trying to see where everything at. There we go. There we go. I gotta get that extra mayo. So now we have to pack our bag, our lunch bag. It's gonna be so cute. Here goes our lunch bag. Looks boring as heck, but it does its job. Okay, so we're at Walmart.
We're headed at Walmart to get what again? Off
Some. What else, Tanisha? What was it?
I
the
don't-
main reason why we came in?
case.
Water, that's the most important. We need to get a waterproof case. Good. Oh, I wonder where the cowboy hat. Yeah,
Get you in your hat.
she might get this.
I might get it. Don't do it. You like my hat? Did I tell you I can ride horses? I'm not sure if we've had that conversation, but yeah. I think the woods, deep woods is going to be it.
Deep woods.
Because this one's family care.
Jillian, where are you? See it? Hi! We have to find a waterproof case for our electronics, for our phones. She found it. We need sheets for our picnic. So we didn't think about this, but maybe like a tablecloth.
Look through there, maybe.
And
My hat. With the price tag.
With the hat. With the
And as usual, supposed to be there at 11 and it had.
It's 10:35.
I might as well go on and tell them. It's going to be a minute.
It's gonna be a minute.
So anyways, y'all, we're about to get in the car. All right, headband is coming on.
We have 36 minutes, guys, until we get there. So
Wish us
we're
luck.
supposed to be there by 11. It's 11:06.
Yeah. Okay, so back to my headband though.
I see a spring.
I do see sprinkles. I do. Gonna let it out now though. Need to cry, let it go.
It's cool.
Yeah, y'all see them sprinkles though. You see them on the car. Yeah.
It's sunny
I need you to
outside.
clear it up.
Welcome to
Atlanta.
Proud owner.
Don't be peeking. Don't peek. Okay, you guys can look. Kidding, it's so nasty. Oh, that's nice. No shade, shade.
I'm not really a hat person.
We still have to spray ourselves.
So update. I already got a bug bite. We're about to walk in. Okay, is there any snakes? Like, how's all that?
I'm sure there are snakes, but they won't bother you. I'm just recommend Rose Creek because boats cannot get back in Rose Creek.
Okay.
If you want to take a break, you can beach up, walk around, stuff like that.
Okay. So update. My top this is not the top that I had in mind. But it matches though. So
It works.
it works. So
She couldn't find her size.
It's extra small. Took a bathroom break.
Had to go. I know y'all couldn't come. You're peeking.
With the headband, how'd I look? So Julian has,
Can you see my headband?
Oh, here.
you look
After you put on the whole outfit, bruh, you gonna look like 4th of July up, bruh. And of course, the Chronicles happened to me to where I couldn't wear my top. You ready? It's always so freaking cold. Ooh, boy.
Little sisters are just very.
That was
suck it
so
up.
terrible. We're gonna get y'all in a second. Give me a second. Y'all ain't about to get sunburned. It's okay. Goodness. Bumblebee. Julie's right there, bro.
Okay, back it up.
Julie, I can't.
We ain't meant for the country. Let me correction. Jada ain't meant for the country.
Sunscreen. Yes, 4th of July here.
Oh, this feels nice.
Whatever. So this feels nice.
She was dramatic. How are you hiding from the sunscreen?
I mean, really? Time for y'all. Spread out like this. Yes, spread out. Yes, it's that serious. Stop flinching. Hey. There we go. Rub it in. Yes, rub it in. Make sure you get all that. Get your face.
Oh, hello. Can you remember my
Oh, my sunglasses. My sunglasses.
Yes.
You're good?
I think we're good.
How did you do that?
Yeah, you know.
She said that she bent them at Six Flags. Where did you bend them at?
If they fit you,
Where are
just
they?
know that your face may be a little wider.
Wow. Good.
That's
How you like? How you like? What's up? They got all of my face shielded. Oh,
You found your way?
I don't know. I can't get it. We're in there. Okay, so this is like destroyed. So here goes like the open seal. This is what it says. So again, we found this at Walmart. How much was it?
$5.
It was only $5.
And it comes with a neck thing.
Yeah, it comes with a neck thing, so you know that. And it's 100% water resistant.
That's what it says. No, waterproof. There's a
Waterproof,
difference.
sorry, not
There's a
resistant.
difference.
100% waterproof. My iPhone better make it outside of here. Also, you can touch your phone while you're in. Now we're about to head out.
Hats
On. And then glasses, man.
one of these days.
On, baby. Don't leave. Uh-oh, Jill, you're going off.
I'm in.
Alright, the water comes in, goes right back out, okay? Okay, so it's not, it doesn't matter how much water gets in here, it's not gonna affect the buoyancy.
Okay,
That's a
now
little
it's
far
my
from
turn.
Jill,
Yeah.
so bring it
Okay.
over.
Okay, so here's your paddle. Check it out, look. Just look, alright, see y'all on the water.
Oh goodness, here she comes. I'm excited, y'all. This is so fun. Y'all got, I haven't even left and it's already fun. Y'all, we got a water resistant seal so we can take everything. He's the plug right here. I agree. Joe, you're going right for the thing, bro. Yeah, bro, come on now. I told you there's a map. Bro, I was a wasp. I don't play with wasps. I don't play with no bugs, honestly. You ready? Yeah, this is like our little thing. We're about to go to this island. I love it. Oh, goodness. Yeah, I agree. All right, we're about to paddle off. See y'all later. Full speed. I think I'm coming right for you, dude.
Let's roll.
Whoa, bro.
Oh.
Whoa.
Whack it. Oh, this is not sexy.
Right.
Okay. Let's roll. We made it. Hi. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Jill here.
Jada here.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh. Ew, bugs.
Ooh. Oh. Let me get my clothes. Oh. Right. It's summer. We got y'all. We got y'all. Don't worry about it. Jay, you know where my shoes are? Jay, where's my shoes? Come here.
So this
Look
was
up
the
there.
bet. No, this is the bet. If she loses my sandal, she has to buy me another one.
I don't think I left them here, bro. Can you help look around?
Y'all, they're actually in the boat. I'm just messing with her. Did you put them over here?
Huh?
Did you put them over here?
Oh, you found them?
Thank you.
Why do you have to be such a butt? You hit them.
No, when I ran over to go get the boat, they're in my hand already.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I didn't see it.
I really want a new pair of sandals though.
You're not funny. You really want a new pair, bro? I got you.
Get all of our stuff. On to the next.
I'm in this cave. Anyways, how y'all July 4th going? Ours is good. A little hot. I think I got a tan. You know. Let us know. Let us know. it's a little bumpy over here.
We're trying to get back right now and get back
yet.
and we haven't got lost yet, so that's really good. But we still have to go all the way over there.
Yeah, it's far.
To get across there, it's like a desert of water.
Tell my mother I love her. I love everyone. And I'll give it a big thumbs up.
Just keep rolling. What do we do? We go on down. Beat drop.
Let's have a conversation. So, you know.
No, my hat! Come back!
My head almost died. Okay, well, continue girl time later.
1, 2, 3, up. There we go. Ready for the struggle?
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
This is a little bit of a struggle, you know?
You got up there, bro? Uh-huh. Got it. My butt is itching so bad.
Sorry, dear.
So currently we're having lunch on my car. My butt's itching for some reason.
You guys hanging out for a second?
Oh,
Okay.
thank you. Y'all, peaches are in season. We did rock, paper, scissors, shoe, and guess who lost? Jill lost. So Jill has to jump in first.
Keep it on my body, jump broke if you ask it. Don't gotta sell the most, yeah, let's roll this broke. Your whips as long as it is foreign. Heard you want it cause it gets enormous. What's it on? 6, 7, 8. I'm Morgan Freeman, trying to touch a forest. Do not know when knocking on the door is. Came in. Did it like the
You're
Porsches
both
humming
like
in.
all the way over there though.
Flex.
Backstroke.
LABB, who we running with? Yeah. 2, 2, 3, 3. I'm on 10 again. Okay, alright. Coming in. Yeah. Flex. I just wanna win. Yeah. LABB, who we running with? Yeah. 2, 2, 3, 3. I'm on 10. Yeah.
That way, bro. Dang, man. You got it. Look at you. Getting the boat was rough. That part is rough all day long. Everything else is pretty good. Do the dolphin. So we're both on the water now.
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are.
Killing it. I'm the driver.
Yeah, she's the driver and I'm the recorder. All right, you guys, it's been a pleasure.
It has been so much fun.
Yeah, it has been so
next.
much. Right, Tubi next. Man, I told her Iceland next, y'all. We about to go on so many more adventures. We're so excited.
Can't wait.
But we had fun with y'all today.